बृहन्मुंबई महानगरपालिका तुमच्यासाठी घेऊन आली आहे ऑनलाईन एज्युकेशन सन 2020-2021 साठी. मी तुमची टीचर संपदा सातघरे तुमचं स्वागत करत आहे दादर येथील व्हर्च्युअल ट्रेनिंग सेंटरमध्ये. स्टँडर्ड 2 सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश, इयत्ता दुसरी, विषय इंग्लिश. आज आपण पाहणार आहोत ऍक्टिव्हिटी टाइम लेट्स प्ले. युनिट 2.2 ऍक्टिव्हिटी टाइम. एक ऍक्टिव्हिटी करायची आहे. कोणती ऍक्टिव्हिटी करायची आहे तर तुम्हाला एका चित्राबद्दल अगदी थोडक्यात 1 किंवा 2 वाक्यात माहिती सांगायची आहे आणि तुमच्या मित्रमैत्रिणींनी ते चित्र ओळखायचं आहे किंवा एखाद्या वस्तूबद्दल एखाद्या गोष्टीबद्दल तुम्हाला 1 किंवा 2 वाक्यात माहिती तुम्ही सांगणार आणि तुमचे मित्र किंवा मैत्रीण ती वस्तू ती गोष्ट ओळखणार. ही ऍक्टिव्हिटी आपल्याला करायची आहे. ओके, तर चला तर पाहूया युनिट 2.2 ऍक्टिव्हिटी टाइम लेट्स प्ले. आता कोणती ऍक्टिव्हिटी आहे? इट्स अ गेसिंग गेम. आपल्याला लेट्स प्ले अ गेसिंग गेम. गेसिंग गेम म्हणजे ओळखायचं. गेस करणे म्हणजे ओळखणे किंवा अंदाज करणे. ओके, तर लेट अस प्ले अ गेसिंग गेम. One student will think and speak about picture. Other students will guess that picture. मी तुम्हाला आता सांगितलं की एक विद्यार्थी चित्राबद्दल विचार करून तुम्हाला 1 ते 2 वाक्यात माहिती सांगेल आणि तुम्ही सर्वांनी मित्रांनी सांगितलेल्या किंवा मैत्रिणींनी सांगितलेल्या माहितीवरून ते चित्र ओळखायचं आहे. दॅट इज अ गेसिंग गेम. गेसिंग गेम, गेस करणे म्हणजे ओळखणे. ओके, लेट्स प्ले अ गेसिंग गेम. One student will think and speak about picture. Other students will guess that picture. Okay? गेसिंग गेम. बघा, हा तुमचा फ्रेंड तुम्हाला त्यांनी पाहिलेल्या चित्राबद्दल सांगेल. ओके, काय सांगतोय पाहूया. It is round. Children play with it. What is it? It is round. Round गोल आहे, तो गोल आहे. It is round. And children play with it. त्या गोल बरोबर, त्या गोलाबरोबर मुलं खेळतात. It is round. Children play with it. Okay? You have to guess the picture. What is it? What is it? Right. It's a ball. It is a ball. It is a ball. It is round and children play with it. It is round and children play with it. What is it? It's a ball. It's a ball. Guessing game. It shines, twinkle twinkle in the sky. It shines. It is in the sky. And how it shines? It shines twinkle twinkle. What is it? You have to guess it. What is it? It's a star. Right. It's a star. It shines twinkle twinkle in the sky. Star shines twinkle twinkle in the sky. It is a star. Right? It is a star. Star shines twinkle twinkle in the sky. Guessing game. Now another girl has come. What she says? He is a king of the jungle. Who is he? King of the jungle. Do you know who is king of the jungle? Yes, we know. It's a lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. Lion is the king of the jungle. He is a king of the jungle. Who is he? A lion. He is a king of the jungle. Who is he? He is a lion. He is a lion. Right? Next, guessing game. Same girl is asking you new question. It is made of wood. लाकडाची बनलेली आहे. We write with it on paper. आणि त्या लाकडाच्या बनलेल्या वस्तूंनी आपण कागदावर लिहितो. We write with it on paper. आपण कागदावर कशाने लिहितो? पेननी लिहितो आणि पेन्सिलने लिहितो. मग लाकडाचं काय बनलेलं आहे? पेन्सिल. So our answer is a pencil. It is made of wood. We write with it on a paper. What is it? It's a pencil. It is a pencil. We write with pencil. We write with pencil on the paper. On the paper we write with pencil. Pencil is made of wood. So our right answer is a pencil. Our right answer is a pencil. Guessing game. Another girl has come. What she asked you? Look at her question. We drink tea with it. What is it? Very simple. We drink tea with it. What is it? It's a cup. It's a cup. We drink tea with a cup. Right? We drink tea with a cup. So question is, we drink tea with it. What is it? Answer is a cup. Answer is a cup. We drink tea with a cup. We drink tea with a cup. Guessing game. Same girl is asking another question. It gives us shadow. What is it? It gives a shadow. Think of it. What gives a shadow? A tree. Tree gives us a shadow. Tree gives us a shadow. It gives us a shadow. What is it? It's a tree. It's a tree. Tree gives us a shadow. Tree gives us a shadow. So answer is a tree. Answer is a tree. Guessing game. It swims in the water. What is it? Who swims in the water? Yes, very famous. We like it. We like it to see. We like it to eat. It's a fish. It's a fish. Fish swims in the water. Fish swims in the water. Fish swims in the water. Answer is a fish. It swims in the water. What is it? It is a fish. It is a fish. Fish swims in the water. Fish swims in the water. Guessing game. We travel by it. It's a vehicle. We travel by it. We travel by many vehicles. But in this vehicle, there are driver and conductor in it. There are driver and conductor in it. What is it? Driver and conductor are always in a bus. Driver and conductor are always in a bus. So, we travel by it. There are driver and conductor in it. What is it? It's a bus. It's a bus. Bus is a vehicle. We travel by bus, and in the bus there are driver to drive the bus and conductor to give us a ticket, right? So we travel by it. There are driver and conductor in it. What is it? It's a bus. It's a bus. Guessing game. Another girl is asking you one question. It is the national bird. It is the national bird. Who is it? Who is the national bird? It's an easy answer. It's a peacock. The national bird is peacock. Right? National bird is peacock. It is the national bird. Who is it? It's a peacock. It is a peacock. National bird is peacock. Peacock is a national bird. So she asked the answer question. It is a national bird. Who is it? Answer is a peacock. Answer is a peacock. Guessing game. Now another boy is asking you a question. It is a king of fruits. What is it? It is a king of fruits. Who is the king of fruits? Mango. Mango is the king of fruits. We get mango only in the month of May, but it is so beautiful to look and its taste is awesome. It tastes awesome. त्याची टेस्ट एकदमच सुंदर असते. आंब्याची सर कशाला येते का? नाही. आंबा इतका सुंदर गोड फळच नाहीये. मग फळांचा राजा कोण आहे? आंबा. It is a king of fruits. What is it? It's a mango. Right? It's a mango. It is a king of fruits. What is it? A mango. It's a mango. Guessing game. Another question. We live in it. What is it? We live in it. We live in what? We live in a house. We live in a house. Look at the house. आपण कुठे राहतो? We live in it. आपण त्याच्यात राहतो. आपण कशात राहतो? घरात. So answer is house. Guessing game. It's cold. We love to eat it. What is it? Look at the question. It is cold. ते गार असतं. And we love to eat it. आणि आपल्याला ते खायला खूप आवडतं. गारगार आणि खायला आवडतं. It is cold. We love to eat it. What is it? It's an ice cream. It's an ice cream, right? We love to eat an ice cream. It's cold, गार गार असतं आणि आपल्याला खायला खूप आवडतं. काय असतं म्हणजे आईस्क्रीम. Guessing game. Another question. It jumps on the trees and it has a big tail. Who is it? It jumps on the trees. झाडावरून उड्या मारतो. And it has a big tail. आणि त्याची शेपटी खूप मोठी असते. त्याला एक मोठी शेपटी असते आणि ते झाडावरून उड्या मारतं. It jumps on the trees and it has a big tail. Who is it? मोठी शेपटीवालं झाडावरून उड्या मारणारं असं कोण आहे? मंकी. कोण आहे? मंकी. मंकी झाडावरून उड्या मारतं आणि इट हॅज अ बिग टेल. त्याची टेल म्हणजे शेपटी सुद्धा खूप मोठी असते. इट्स अ गेसिंग गेम. अँड व्हॉट यू हॅव गेस्ड? तुम्हाला एक प्रश्न विचारलाय बघा. इट जम्प्स ऑन द ट्रीज अँड इट हॅज अ बिग टेल. झाडावरून उड्या मारतं आणि त्याची मोठी शेपटी असते. हु इज इट? कोण आहे ते? अ मंकी. मंकी. मंकी म्हणजे माकड. माकडच झाडावरून उड्या मारतं ना आणि त्याची शेपटी मोठी असते. मग तुम्ही काय गेस केलं? व्हॉट इज युअर आन्सर? व्हॉट यू गेस? व्हॉट आन्सर डिड यू गेस? Yes, it's a monkey. Guessing game. It flies in the sky and lives in a nest. Who is it? Guess the answer. Guess the answer. It flies in the sky. ते आकाशामध्ये उडतं. And lives in a nest. Nest म्हणजे घरटं. घरट्यामध्ये राहतं. असं कोण आहे? आकाशात उडतात आणि घरट्यात राहतात. आकाशात कोण उडतात? बर्ड्स. आणि घरट्यात पण कोण राहतात? बर्ड्स. So what answer do you guess? Yes, it's a bird. Children, guess the answer. It is a bird. It is a bird. It is a bird. Another question. It is colorful and we use it in the rains. What is it? Colorful असते, रंगीबेरंगी असते, and we use it in the rain. आणि आपण ती पावसात वापरतो. आपण ते पावसात वापरतो आणि ते कलरफुल असतं. Guess the answer. Friends, guess the answer. It's an umbrella. Right. Umbrella is colorful. And we use the umbrella in the rain. We use it in the rain. So answer is an umbrella. What answer did your friends guess? They guessed answer that it's an umbrella. Yes, umbrella is the right answer because umbrella is colorful and we use it in the rain. We use it in the rain. It is colorful and we use it in the rain. So what is it? It's an umbrella. What answer is guessed? Answer guessed is an umbrella. Guessing game. Okay, she is asking a question. It is very bright and it gives us light. What is it? Who gives us light? Who gives us light? And it is also bright. Guess the answer, my friends. Okay, the friends guess the answer, and it is the sun. It is the sun. They have guessed the answer, and the answer is sun. Is it right? Yes, the answer is sun. Sun is very bright, and sun gives us light. Sun is very bright, and sun gives us light. So the answer guessed is the sun. Answer guessed is the sun. Sun is very bright and sun gives us light. So answer is the sun. Bye bye children. Take care. Be safe. Have a nice day.